Hey guys, so we made it to Disney Hollywood Studios later, but it's his birthday!
I need coffee.
I need coffee, so we're gonna try to find. We're gonna go to Charles and have breakfast in Hollywood Studios. We're gonna see what bus we can take to get there. See you guys soon. Yeah, they see us. That's where we made, guys. Charles End. Birthday boy goes first.
Oh, hi, me.
Birthday boy goes first.
I don't want to go first.
People are gonna go last.
Dang.
I'm joking, Brandon.
What?
Made it.
We should just take a
It's
picture
a
and
lonely
Photoshop
chair.
wax.
Oh, we got a squad here now. Got Miranda, Javier.
I'm gonna get my video ad soon.
I don't know you.
Chris.
I never met him, so now I know
You
who
don't
he
know
is.
him either, right?
No, I have no clue who he is. I just know I don't like Auburn. And Atlanta.
Back to guava thingy.
Here it is. And the Mickey waffle. The best.
She's like, hurry up, I wanna go home.
Alright, I better embarrass you, Rich. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, could I have your attention for the next 10 seconds? Every day is a special day in the wilderness. Today's extra special. Our friend Rich is celebrating his 28th birthday with us. Huh? So if you all don't mind, let's help Rich celebrate by giving him a great big yahoo on the count of 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Yahoo! Alright, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Bye, vamos.
Yep.
Wait for it, folks.
We've made it.
Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Brandon's first time.
Now,
So basically, just right there, guys. That's the top. That's how high Star Wars Land is gonna be. That is so cool. Now we got a wall in front of us. It's awesome. It's lovely. God, I'm excited. Here on this side, we got nothing. Here, Star Wars.
they only have 2 calls.
Galaxy's Edge.
You got your ID? ID?
So we made the Hollywood Studios. We're on the tram right now. But for you guys that I really don't want, I'm gonna do a time lapse of us on the tram heading to Hollywood Studios. Hope you guys enjoy that. Starting now. We're back. Come here. So I just want to tell you guys one thing. He's a scary actor at Horror Nights.
I am indeed. I was this year.
What house? Or what's the street?
American Horror Story, Rasper Asylum Second Street.
So here
Is
is
it
the
Land
First
Adventure?
Order Magic Band, which is
Oh my god, it's a land award. I did
which
not know
is
that. That's Atlanta.
that's the price up to now.
You know what I mean?
I'm pretty sure most of you guys know exactly when I come to Hollywood Studios. Star Wars. And they got new posters up too. So you got Finn over there, Rey, Princess Leia, and Kylo Ren. These are all cool, but you guys have to give me respect. He is the new Sith Lord. Oh my god, look at that. They changed the top from the Death Star to, I would say that's to the Resistance? I think that's Resistance. Yeah, that's Resistance. So, yeah. Over here, when they had Rogue One stuff out, they moved over here now. So they got most of your, not here, your Rogue One stuff over here, like with Droid, you got the building of the Death Star, and of course, the Death Star itself.
We should find out where the line is and see.
We got some stormtroopers in the house. Whoop, whoop. I want to join the First Order.
I think they're from Brazil, I think. Or Argentina, I
That's kind of cool.
think.
I wish they got that kind of special treatment. What?
Son de Argentina, son de Argentina!
Oh, you startled me.
Weirdo.
May I proceed for recruits? Ladies first.
Supreme Leader, I'm here for your training.
Oh my gosh, no, I didn't realize we were so far away from her.
I'm ready to help you take down the Resistance.
Oh,
The Force is strong. And
Always.
to make you strong. Will you surrender yourself to the dark side?
I want to join the dark side.
Excellent. You will find I'm an impatient teacher, which will make you a quick learner.
I love the
Enjoy
dark
your
side.
training.
Excellent, my good lord.
The dark side is everything.
Indeed,
And will be
there is
sticking out
power
for you.
within you.
I am on your team.
I can teach you to control it.
That is great. I am down.
I will show you the ways of the dark side.
That's fine. 100%.
Good.
The light side is nothing.
No.
Exactly. They might like the light side, but I don't.
Always join the dark side every time, Kylo Ren. Always loyal to you, Master.
Move aside.
Yes, Master.
I will serve you. Can I be a pilot? Is that okay?
Questions arouse suspicion. The time has come for you to go.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What? That's so awesome. Oh, that is cool. There it is. Well, the resistance, I guess, is over here. Here, yeah, here's the resistance stuff. Oh, this is cool. I have a question to ask you, sir. I have a question to ask you. How do I join the First Order?
Step over here. Right over here.
I don't think he realizes you're there, Anthony.
Keep it.
I am really enjoying the First Order for anybody. Anybody can fall.
Anthony.
Because I'm recording it.
Instructions from the finalizer. Land 18 Quadrant 52589. Prepare to depart. Cutting ion subline.
I've seen this show many times.
I am here under the authority of General Hux. You are here under the authority of me. Stand proud. Acceptable.
Use the Force, Luke. Always two there are. No more. Don't know the power of the dark side. Join me. It is your destiny.
Dark
side. I found you. I saw
The Force. It's calling to you.
May the force be with you.
Okay, so after seeing March First Order and hey, Galactic Far Far Away, new stuff for that in Galactic Far Far Away, I liked it. But now we're gonna be heading to Star Tours. I promise this time I will not film it.
But to pass our trial, we must like
Going on my favorite ride, and there's a jam up right here. Don't know why. Tell me my favorite ride. He's in 3D. Oh, he's now in 3D. Brandon's not in 3D. We're about to go on the best ride ever. Rich, your thoughts, opinions for the new Star Tours.
Wait, let's go.
Let's do it!
We're gonna let this begin. We're gonna let this begin. We're vlogging each other. We will vlog each other. So right inside the Star Wars or Star Tours, I don't remember the store that well. Sorry. They got Galaxy stuff. Here you got a hat. It's like 21 bucks, 22 bucks.
40%.
How much is this painting? This painting is.
The area for Galaxy.
I think so.
And it's selling out quick, right?
40 bucks for this picture. I'm pretty sure they got stuff in the back. I picked it up. That's nice.
But it's
Service.
I should wait for this.
22 bucks. That lantern's 20 bucks.
I think I'm gonna get.
This is tool size. This is
I'm not gonna get this
boys
shirt.
and men's.
I'm not gonna get this shirt.
That's a nice shirt right there, but.
I'm just gonna get the hat. The hat looks. Live Your Adventure 2019.
Bruh. That is awesome.
We need a picture.
Look at this. Oh my god, this is awesome. Millennium Falcon, Star Wars. Oh my god, this is. I want to cry.
Wait, who's this?
Oh, look who decided to join us today.
run, Forrest, run!
She's wearing the I Live in
I'm trying to
Fantasyland
record. You
shirt.
got me copyright. I'm gonna chase you for hours.
Recording me again?
No.
Happy birthday!
Vader. Boba Fett. Darth Maul. Kylo. Ray. And now they show up and you know they're just so far behind, it's like not even funny. She has to do this much and now she's got a shoe because she hates so much.
Rock and roll.
Oh, we're going! It's Rich, Alexis, me, Javier, Brandon.
Brendan and Elena and two guys. We're competing against the two guys too.
So here's the thing. We're gonna win.
We got this. We got this.
See you guys when the ride's over. So your final score. What's it gonna be?
If you get the video, can you send it to me?
Yeah, I will. Nothing's happening.
There you go.
I'm gonna put it in my vlog.
I'm gonna put this video up. Let's see.
Are you being? I'm the everyone.
That was in October.
How'd you do?
128, not bad.
104,
145.
145, sorry.
215,400. Oh my God, my arms.
What's going on,
Man,
Welcome aboard, sir.
awesome.
Kurt, you want to say hi, buddy?
I am good.
Oh, you are right. Introductions. Team Cruise.
So listen, I saw you guys a new trailer for the Infinity War.
Yeah.
I wish I would have shown more of you guys than what's really going to happen because I think you guys are going to be the star of that movie. Take it away.
You think we're going to be a star? No. not the Star Lord, dude, just the star. You know, like kind of like the celebrities that we are on Terra. Well, yes, we've saved the galaxy not once but twice, dude. That's what kind of happens with the territory. You know how much we can charge now?
I feel like you guys save it again.
We could? I mean, I'm ready, dude.
You mean-
all the candy we can charge for that one, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. Can we get a picture?
Yeah, let's do it, man.
So basically, that's where you come out to meet Groot and Star-Lord, and they have this Groot singing at a boombox, and I think it's probably candy. I'm not sure. It's only $5, 24 bucks. Okay, cool. I don't know what this really is. Let me find out what this is. Okay, so that's pretty much House right there. It just dances and says, "I'm Groot."
Yeah, it also plays a song, if I can get that, so.
And it plays a song too. Oh, that's so cool. And you got some Groot, I guess, buckets there. I'm gonna put this guy back and we get out of here. So basically, this right here is nothing but my big machine to come. I'm pretty sure once Toy Store's up, they'll get a bigger monitor for Star Wars and put it right over there. That's just what I believe, but only a dream right here now, guys. And here's this coming in a couple months in summertime soon.
Showtime.
This guy never stops vlogging. And we gotta find out too.
2, 3, showtime.
Yeah.
Showtime.
I like it. Thoughts, opinions.
Of what? Oh,
Well, okay, it's not your birthday anymore then, I guess.
It's still my birthday.
Well, so I got me a Mickey pretzel. Oh, kind of already saying years ago, but cheese. And I kind of lost reach because I started doing the movie show, which I've seen before. It's kind of cool, but it's not really that interesting to me. So I finally got to restart the video back up.
I wasn't here.
So, before I was interrupted, how's your birthday been so far?
It's kind of a close-up, but it's good.
How's your day been?
Good.
Oh, this is Ken, by the way.
Oh, what's up?
I vlog too.
Oh, none.
Really, bitch?
Yes, really.
Can I help you?
Just fucking.
Brendan.
I have like
Jingle bell, jingle bam soon.
That's awesome. I might do that next year. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm vlogging here.
What?
I'm vlogging you cursing.
I'm sorry. Shit. Next time, tell me that I'm on camera. What?
Orange.
Holy shit.
2 minutes.
Well, how many?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Oh, here we go. Yes.
Look at Rich.
When you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Check. Sparkle ornament? I've got extra. Oh no! Hey! Hello, Orlando.
Oh boy. You all right there, buddy?
I love you, Wayne. You're so adorable.
Yes, I'm aware. Stay with me, Lanny.
Christmas is so sparkly. It just melts my heart.
Chestnuts roasting on you really know how to
Like a nightmare! Before Christmas? Okay, we need stealth and speed. This calls for Thrasher the reindeer. Thrasher, good buddy, get us out of here. We're going in!
Hey, what movie is this though? Oh, okay.
There's more stuff in there. Where's Alex?
And said I've nothing much to do. I might just cook a special batch of snake and spider stew. And don't you know, it's thanks to Lanny and Wayne. They're the ones who saved Christmas and me, after all. But as long as family and friends are together, like here in Orlando, there will always be Christmas.
Oh my God!
Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
That's a trap.
We should definitely have a party. It's really not in the budget this time.
Ho, ho, go! Joining us for Jingle Bell, Jingle Bam!
What am I watching here?
It's 2 against 1. This is not fair.
What am I watching here? Stay subscribed, people. This has been my night.
Hi.
I'm not enjoying this.
I am.
And Atlanta says nothing.
Poking each other.
What?
That's enough.
No. They had this coming.
Yeah. It's the Pillsbury Doughboy. This is
Time for Star Wars.
You're looking big.
Right back there in the background.
I love your monster shirt.
But at this point in time, I'm going to end my vlog today. If you guys enjoyed, if you guys are new, subscribe. Hit that like button for you guys can. And until next time, peace.